Yeah, we do have the rain out there this morning. We definitely do need it. We will have some breaks in the action, though. It's not like it's going to be raining all day long. With that said, we will have more scattered showers and thunderstorms possible even as we go into the afternoon time frame, evening time frame as well. We can see what's happening this morning in Dundalk, where we do have plenty of clouds around. Those clouds at the ground, you know what that means? Yes, we're dealing with some patchy fog out there. Looking at the Key Bridge, and I cannot see it with all that fog out there. So this is what we have. The satellite radar picking up on some of that light rain steadily moving in across some of the areas, but some areas still on the drier side. So we're seeing dry conditions in portions of Talbot County this morning, as well as portions of Caroline County. So not everybody wet this morning, and that will be the scenario as we go throughout the day. In terms of the temperatures this morning, numbers above average in the mid-70s pretty much across the board, not unless you're headed over towards Deep Creek or Frostburg, where those temperatures are in the low 60s, mid-60s, and that's exactly what we're seeing with the temperatures over there and the dew points over there, I should say, as well. So with that, again, temperature, dew point close together, the exact same, and that's why we do have some patchy fog around this morning. The humidity, plenty of moisture in the atmosphere, once again, not going anywhere today, not going anywhere through the weekend, and even as we head into next week. We're dealing with a hurricane now, and this is Hurricane ISAIAS, and this will continue to batter the Hispaniola area for today, but then move away and head towards the Bahamas. And then once that happens, we're looking at this hurricane to head towards the United States. So look at the track of this, as this will continue on that northwesterly motion as we go through the next several days at about 17 miles an hour. So it still looks like a Category 1 storm. It looks like it does have the potential to strengthen over the next 24 hours, but then it will be sheared by a southwesterly wind. So we're going to have to continue to monitor that, and that will weaken it. But once again, we're watching for the steering currents, and that is that area of high pressure that will continue to steer the storm to the northeast, while we have that upper level trough picking up the storm and moving it to the northeast. So this will impact us in some fashion or form as we go into next week. But at this point, we're just not quite sure where it's going and what's going to happen at this point. There's that severe weather outlook well off towards the south for today. So portions, again, of Talbot County and then all of Dorchester County could get in on some strong thunderstorms, and some of those could be severe with damaging gusty winds. But most importantly for today, if you're not a fan of the heat, temperatures will be much lower, Christian, right around 82 degrees.